We have been together for 15 years. Yes, 15 years, and that is already half of our entirety. I can no longer picture life without you. It feels like yesterday when you became my college seatmate turned best friend. We then became the love team of our class. And just like most of the showbiz love teams, we clicked, elated the people around us, and escalated that special relationship onto the next level.
So, Jong, you may now enter the kulambo and kiss your wife.
White polo shirt that was tucked very well on your slacks left an imprint that you are a good person. I know. I just know. I also thought you're cute with your vampire green or even your 1-calorie smile. But as days, months, and years had passed, we became classroom clowns, cheat mates, friends, and later on did I realize I already love you.
Wasn't meant to last a flash and then I'm gone.
Dear Mommy, no gift can ever surpass for the love and sacrifices you have done for us. But I hope with this simple necklace, you'll feel how much I care for you.
Thank you for the paplak. I hope you like my gift for you. Time is the gift you given me that no one can ever replace. Love, Joy.
Thank you so much. Magugustuhan mo yung contract.
Ba kayo? Maliit na ba?
Isa lang nakakaalam na magpo-propose na ako. Yung iba hindi alam. So parang medyo nagkakaroon ng gusot. Ang nangyari nun, nung papunta na sila sa restaurant kung saan kami mag-dinner, nagpanggap na lang ako na natapilok ako somewhere.
Sabi ko, ang inuts-inuts mo naman. Bakit naman nagugutom na ako? Kasi galing ako ng long day shift. Galing ako ng 12-hour shift.
Galing siyang work talaga. Literal na wala siyang ayos. Pagod sa trabaho.
Yung proposal hindi ko na-expect. Yung aso, medyo in-expect ko na kasi nagpaparinig-parinig siya. Hindi siya magaling sa surprises.
Medyo hindi ako magaling mag-surprise talaga. Nape-predict niya yung malakas yung instinct niya.
Tapos pinakita niya yung aso. Tapos hindi ko pa nakita yung bib na "Will you marry my dad?" Ay, nagulat na ako. Binuhat ko siya. Tapos pagkabuhat ko nung aso, nakita ko yung bib niya. Tapos sobrang nashock ako. Tapos lumuwad na siya.
Bali, nagkasundo kami ni Jay na hindi kami magre-regalo sa isa't isa. Ang re-regaluhan namin yung mga parents namin. Kasi itong wedding na to, parang gift namin para sa inyo. Kaya talaga iniisip namin. Kasi alam mo, pangarap mo yung pangarap mo na may makasal na maayos sa pamilya.
Tsaka talagang pinangarap ko makasal siya talaga.
You know me better than anyone else in this world, and still, you manage to love me. I thank God that I have found my partner in life and someone who will stay with me through laughter and pain. I truly love all I know of you and long to learn more as we grow old together. I will love you with all my heart, Mrs. Joy Ann Santos Salazar.
I'm with you always.
Many say find yourself a guy who treats her mother well, and you'll never go wrong. Well, I found you, and I know I wasn't wrong. You're a family man. You're smart with your decisions. You think before you speak. You're sports-minded. You're a great and handsome chef.
Ang sabi nga, coming together is the beginning, keeping together is a progress, working together is a success.